Hello, I'm just doing a short video on how the new Bitcoin indicator works. So let's go to have a look. So here we have BTC USD. You want to make sure you're using Bitfinex. That's the one you need. Ignore all the others. Bitfinex, that's the one that you want. You can split the screen. That's what I like to do. So I've got 1 minute here, 3 minute here, and I'm looking for the current trend in the market, which is the 1 minute. I'm looking for a pinned arrow, as we call it, a strong red or the strong green. A yellow flag indicates that it is going to be it's a traffic light signal. It's going to be a green triangle. It didn't actually give it that here because it did a little bit of consolidation. It didn't move very quickly, but it did give the move. So you can take on that. If you want to be absolutely sure, you take on the pinned arrow, you use high Kaneshi candles, and you want the red triangle for a buy, for a sell, and vice versa. I'm looking for confluence, but if I get the pinned arrow and the red triangle on the 3 minutes, I don't want to take the trade because I don't want to be in that long. I'm only interested in being in for 30 seconds off a 1 minute candle. And this is where the timing is crucial. And you do need to understand how the market works in the background. Now, what are all these lines? It's a traffic light system where the if I bring it off to over to the single screen, be easier to show you. This is on the 1 minute. So what we've got, very, very powerful indicator. You only need one of the lines to turn the way you want. So if you follow this bottom line, it's not turned. If you follow the mid line, I know they can get a little bit confusing. So it turned, so the top, you see the red turns to green, the top one, and then let me find that one turns to green, and then that one turns to yellow. So you want them turning. They don't all have to turn green. You want one of them turning to green, and then followed by the others. But you can see in the middle the moving average, which was red, and then that turns to green as well. So I do look at the moving average, and this is all you're interested in looking for, is this kind of entry. So let's come back to on the 1 minute. So let's come back to the 5 minute, the 3 minute showing as well. I don't look at the 3 minute, I don't look at the 5 minute. I just look at these. So here we have, it doesn't actually say sell. We've got the pinned arrow and the red triangle. I like it to say sell. It says sell here, and it looks like we've got the confluence. We've got 40 seconds left on that. Let's come over here. You want to make sure you're on Bitcoin. If you log in and out and refresh, make sure that you are on the correct thing. You can trade currencies and also commodities, gold and silver. You'll see the percentage here. We don't take trades below 50, 63%. You'll find them higher on IQ Cent and race options. I can only have IQ Cent here in Europe. Some people have been trading Litecoin, finding that higher. So this would be a no-go, the fact that it's paying out that low, but we'll have a look for the purposes of education. So again, we've got it going down. We've got 1 second left on there. So time to purchase is slightly different on here. On the pocket options, I don't like quite as much, I have to say. So that would give me, let's get in, I'd like to usually see a retrace up, a little retrace up. We may have missed the move slightly, but for the purposes of education, I'm saying sell. And you can see I've got 30 seconds left. So 5 seconds, there's time till expiration, time till purchase of the new candle, which gives you 1 minute 30, and that's or 1 minute 26. So we just, and there you can see 53, it's showing you the countdown of the new candle there. So I only want to be in for a little bit. I'm only interested in being below that line. And we've got 10 seconds left. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. Bang, and we've won that. Okay, and it's literally as simple as that. So All you have to do is, and I would not now be getting into this, I'm not interested in 3-minute pin candles and triangles. I don't want to be in the trade that long. I just want the pinned arrow here and to get in here off 1 minute for about 30 seconds. And it's just about getting that timing right. Okay. And then, of course, I think we're going to have alerts that we can put on so that you don't have to sit and wait just to find out when Bitcoin changes, because often it will suddenly change and you don't want to be taking trades at 40%. Okay. So I hope that's helpful as a quick explanation as to how it works. Please let me know if you've got any questions.